Schlömchen friends.
Champion friends, today we want to show you something very good.
The Mogwheel Obsidian ST, one of our favorite bikes. We show you the Mogwheel Basalt on our channel, but today Mogwheel Obsidian is the case, and a few things, because you want to know why it's our favorite bike, because it's cheap. You have a very large battery and a very nice tuning method.
Yeah. And a very good quality. I mean, look this. This is very nice. We have hydraulic brakes. We have a very nice display here. We have a Shimano
gear.
Look this. Deet, deet, deet.
It's a very good upgrade to the Mogwheel Basalt.
And look this. Look this. It's very nice. You have a dual suspension, one in the middle, one at in the front. This is a kind of a fully e-bike. We have the fat tires, very good for off-road, but you can also drive on the road like on clouds with this e-bike. It's very, very good.
Yeah.
And now we show you the point.
The best case on the bike is the secret tuning method. And you go to the secret menu, you push 3 buttons.
Yeah, these 3 buttons. And now look what's happening. You see speed here. I mean, here is Geschwindigkeit.
Geschwindigkeit.
It's speed in English, in German, in English, whatever. And now you can press the upper button, the power button, to go to the menu. Okay, I was too slow. I show you again. 3 buttons.
Slow. You suck.
So now you can here go through the menu. And if you want to change the speed, just go to speed.
Even the wheel size you can change.
Yeah, and now you can change the speed limit. Standard is stock is 25 kilometers per hour.
27.
In
Germany. Okay.
Yeah, in Germany it's the speed, and I don't know what's in Amiland.
I think 40, but you can make it even faster, so you can drive like 55 kilometers per hour.
You can go like
and
it's in electric. You can go like
and it's a very, very good bike for this terrain, because the fat bikes, the dual suspension and the power is enough to make this motorcycle.
Yeah, and it's very good. Very good.
If you want a very good bike with a secret tuning method and you're the best for your money, I think the Mogwheel Obsidian ST is a very good option for you.
Yeah, it's the best option, we think, and we tested a lot of e-bikes, and Mogwheel is one of our favorites, and this is the newest one, and I think the very best.
Yeah, which even think Himway is one of our best scooters, but Himway, maybe there will come some videos about Himway too, but I think with the Mogwheel Obsidian ST you have no problems, and if you want
you don't make something wrong with this e-bike. It's very nice.
Yes. Okay. If you want to show, if you want to see some videos with it, put it down in the description, in the
commentary
section.
box,
and
we will make the rest.
Right. Okay. Maybe we make some more tuning methods on this channel for e-bikes and for e-scooters too.
Yeah, and what's the most important thing? If you want to make your Bosch e-bike faster, if you say, oh, this is nice, but I have a Bosch e-bike, what should I do?
Yeah.
No problem. Just look in the description box, and there's a website, www.escooter tuning e-scooter. I don't know what's minus. I don't know what's the word in English for it. Tuning.de.
Yeah.
Where you can buy hardware stuff for tuning, but not in the USA, because if we send a packet from Germany to the USA, it takes too long.
Yeah.
But we have license codes, and with the license code and the right tutorial, you can make your Bosch e-bike easily faster in between 2 minutes, I think.
And even if you have an e-scooter, we want to put every e-scooter on this website.
Yeah.
And you can look at on the website. Maybe your e-scooter is already there, and we can help you.
Yeah.
So look in the description. We have this bike and our website for tuning methods.
Yeah, that's right. And thank you for watching. We see you next time, guys, and have a good day. We are licking a tree.
Okay.